In this video, we'll be talking about the communication summary section found inside a client file. To get to this page, you're going to click on this communications header right here. The communication summary page will display how many calls, emails, events, faxes, portal messages, and then text messages for that calendar year. And this page does break it down based on the year. And so you can use this drop-down menu to flip this to a year that you want to check for. And these years will match how many years that your client has been a client inside your system. Something to keep in mind is that even if you have not signed up for some of these add-ons, they will still display here in the section regardless of what you've signed up for with Atom. Clicking on any of these sections will take you to that particular log. If I click on calls, this will take me to the call log for this client. Same thing if I were to click on emails, this will take me to the email log for this client. Something unique about this section is that even if you have not signed up for the SendGrid email upgrade, you can still use the communications tab to kind of backdoor into that email log where you can then compose a new email to this particular client. This page will also have billable information for these forms of communication. We have a billable hours column as well as a billable amount column. The ways that the billable hours are computed for each of these types of communication is a little different. Calls, this is computed based off of the duration of the phone calls. Email, portal, and text are computed based off of a setting in admin core configuration, and then the communication security properties, email, text, and VoIP. If you go to this page, we have email and portal message, minutes default setting here. Then if you scroll down, there is a SMS billable minutes default right here. And so those fields will affect emails, portal, and Twilio. For faxes, this information comes from Interfax. And then for the events, this information pulls from the event duration inside of the client file. As for the billable amount, this information will be computed based off of the billable hours multiplied by the users. If you go to the user file, there's a tax reporting section here, and then there is a billing rate for the communications. Whatever value is in here, this will be multiplied by the duration of that phone call or like of the email or portal message, and then that will then be factored into this billable amount. So that is true for calls, emails, portal messages, and texts. For faxes, again, this information will come from Interfax, and then for the events, this is based off of the event billing rate. So if that event status has a billing rate applied to it, again, that will be multiplied by the duration, and then that information will be posted in here. So that is the communication summary section found inside of every client file. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Atom Support.